Three-phase transformers have electrical similarities to three-phase motors and can be troubleshot in a similar fashion. They share the characteristic that one leg or winding can be bad, but the overall device can appear to be functioning correctly. If one leg of a transformer is not conducting current, the transformer will overheat, as does a motor with the same condition. Just as with a motor, all of the phases of a transformer should have a very similar voltage with respect to ground and should show a similar current flow when measured with a clamp ammeter. Isolating a power transformer is a little more difficult than isolating a motor, but once it is offline, continuity and resistance tests can be run on the phases as described for testing motor windings.